to verify account on Prizepicks. So here on the official website, you can see this article. If your account isn't automatically verified after you sign up, that means that Prizepicks requires more information before they can verify your identity. To complete this process, you will need to input your last 4 SSN digits, and they will securely process your information and attempt to verify your identity. It's only used for verification and it won't be stored post registration. So another way of how you can verify your identity on Prizepicks is if you are asked to submit a photo of your ID. So that is just another method of how they can verify that it's you and that you're a real person trying to use Prizepicks. What happens after I submit my ID? After you submit a valid government issued photo ID, you will be notified with one of the following status reports. You will either get verified, you will be asked to resubmit your ID, maybe because you took a blurry picture, improper lighting, or invalid ID. You might be placed in a review, so a verification specialist will need to review your information further, or you might be denied, and that means that you won't be able to use Prizepicks. So that's basically how you verify your identity on Prizepicks. Hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.